Alright guys. Finna be doing a monkey bar, so y'all will see me in a minute. This is y'all can see me. The big one cookie. And that's how you do the monkey bars. If y'all wanna come check tomorrow or in the morning. Bye guys.